All right, next section is section 14.4. And we are going to be adding and subtracting rational expressions. All right, so the directions are just going to be simple. I'm just going to ask you to simplify the following. What we're going to do is we're just going to extend what we did in the last section. We'll find the LCD. We'll make all the denominators be the LCD, and then we'll combine our fractions. So let's take a look. What if we had 3 over x plus 4 over 9x squared? First, let's figure out what the LCD is. We definitely need a 9, and we go with the biggest power of x, which would be x squared. So we multiply by whatever is missing to each fraction. So the one on the left needs a 9x. And we get 27x over 9x squared plus 4 over 9x squared. The cost of the denominators are the same. We can combine fractions, and we just get 27x plus 4 over 9x squared. What if we had 2 over x plus 3 plus 28 over 7x plus 21? First thing we have to do is factor to get the LCD. So this just stays x plus 3, but we could take out a 7 here. And we can see that the LCD, we definitely need an x plus 3. And we definitely need a 7. And we'll multiply by whatever's missing. So we'll multiply this by 7 over 7. And let's see what we get. This will be 14 over 7 times x plus 3 plus 28 over 7 times x plus 3, which gives us 14 plus 28 is 42 over 7 times x plus 3. And we could even reduce this. 7 goes into 42 6 times. So the answer would just be 6 over x plus 3 would be our answer. Sometimes we have problems where there is no denominator. So if we had like 6 over x minus 4 plus 3. What we could do is put the 3 over 1. And now let's see here. We definitely need an x minus 4. And the 1 doesn't really count. So we're just going to multiply the second fraction by x minus 4 over itself. We get 6 over x minus 4 plus 3 times x minus 4 over x minus 4. We do have the same denominators, so we're just going to write 6 plus 3 times x minus 4 over x minus 4. And then we'll just distribute and combine like terms. So 6 plus 3x minus 12 over x minus 4 is the same thing as 3x minus 6 over x minus 4. That would be the final answer. Even if we factored out a 3 on top, we couldn't cancel it, so that would be our final answer. All right, let's try some subtraction. So if we had negative x plus 2 over x minus x minus 9 over 9x. Our LCD would be 9x. So you have to multiply by whatever's missing. Multiply this by 9 over 9. And we'll just get negative 9x plus 18 over 9x minus x minus 9 over 9x. We can go ahead and combine these. This will just be negative 9x plus 18. But whenever you have subtraction, we have to make sure we put this in parentheses. And then simplify. So negative 9x plus 18 minus x plus 9, all divided by 9x. Which gives us negative 10x plus 27 over 9x is our final answer. Right. Let's try something like this. X divided by x squared minus 16 minus 1 over x squared minus 8x plus 16. What we have to do is first factor, so x minus 4 times x plus 4. And this will factor to just be x minus 4 times x minus 4. So as far as our LCD, we definitely need an x minus 4. We definitely need another x minus 4. And we definitely need an x plus 4. What we're going to do is multiply by whatever's missing. We have x minus 4 here. We definitely need an x plus 4 over itself. The one on the left, we need another x minus 4. And now we just get x times x minus 4 over x minus 4 times x minus 4 times x plus 4 minus 1 times x plus 4 divided by x minus 4 times x minus 4 times x plus 4. So the question is, why do we need two x minus fours? And you need two x minus fours because this has one and this has one. This has two, well, that means that all of them need two. All right. And now that we have all the denominators the same, we can combine fractions. So we'll just write this x minus 4 times x minus 4 times x plus 4 over x squared minus 4x minus this x plus 4. Oh, thank you. I distributed these. Now let's see what the second part is. This is x squared minus 4x minus x minus 4 all over the bottom. It's a lot of writing. But just to wrap it up here, we get x squared minus 5x minus 4 over the bottom. If you want to get fancy, you could write x minus 4 to the second power because there are two of them, but you don't have to do that. So I just wanted to do maybe a couple more of these problems, and I think that'll be good for this section. What if we had say 105 over m squared minus 225 plus 7 over 2m plus 30. But we want a factor to figure out what the common denominator is. This will just be m plus 15 times m minus 15. We can take out a 2 here and we get m plus 15. So as far as our least common denominator, we're going to need an m plus 15 that covers for both. We're also going to need a 2. And then we're also going to need an m minus 15. But let's go ahead and multiply by what we're missing. We definitely need a 2 over here. So I'll multiply this by 2 over 2. And the second one, we need an m minus 15. So I'll do that on top and bottom. And let's see. This is going to be 2 times 105 is 210 over 2 times m plus 15 times m minus 15 plus 7 times m minus 15 over the same denominator. Then combining our numerators, we'll just do 210 minus 105. We get 7m plus 105 divided by 2 times m plus 15 times m minus 15. Uh, 105 We could take out a 7 from that and just kind of factor a little bit more. You always want to look to see if you could factor. And what we wind up with is this. This is just 7 over 2 times m minus 15. When we say simplified, what that means is this means cancel common factors and combine like terms. That's what simplified means. What factor means, that means to write as a product. All right, so let's see, I told you 2 more, we'll do 1 more, and then I think that'll be good for this section. So this one is going to be a big one here. We'll do 2 over x squared plus 5x plus 4 minus 6x over x squared plus 7x plus 12 plus x plus 3 over x squared plus 4x plus 3. We'll finish. This will be the grand finale here for this section. Now we have 1 more. All right, so first step is we have to factor. This will just be x plus 4 times x plus 1. This will factor to be x plus 4 times x plus 3. And this will factor to be x plus 3 times x plus 1. So in order to find the least common denominator, we're going to need an x plus 4. So we'll multiply whatever fraction's missing. So I'll do it to the top and bottom here. We'll definitely need an x plus 3. I'll multiply by whatever fraction is missing that. And then we'll also need an x plus 1. I'll multiply whatever fraction's missing that. All right, so let's try to combine all of these. Save a little bit of writing. We know that the denominator is going to be x plus 4 times x plus 3 times x plus 1. On top, we're going to have 2 times x plus 3 minus 6x times x plus 1, and then plus x plus 3 times x plus 4. Now all we have to do is distribute and combine like terms. This is going to be 2x plus 6 minus 6x squared minus 6x plus x squared plus 7x plus 12, all over the same denominator, which, by the way, we never distribute the denominator. You always want to make sure that you leave the denominator factored. And then on top, let's see what we have. This will just be negative 5x squared. That takes care of this and this. We have 2x minus 6x and 7x, so that's 3x. And then 6 and 12 is 18.